Hi, welcome to Sarab's Kitchen. Today I'm going to be making a rose pistachio phirni, for which I soaked some basmati rice for about half an hour and blend it into a smooth paste. Keep it a little liquidish so it's easy when you're making the phirni. And here I've got some milk which is heating up, uh, full fat milk, no dieting. We add some condensed milk to it. I'm going to lower the flame and carefully put in this rice paste. Why carefully? We don't want lumps. You can use a whisk. Keep stirring continuously till you get a thick custard-like consistency. Now, as this is thickening, I'm going to add some sugar and some rose syrup. This just gives that rose flavor and that light pink rose color which you like to see. As you can see, it's thickening. You need a smooth custard. Mind you, don't make it too thick because as it chills, it thickens further. So, our rose phirni is ready and we're now going to plate it. Traditionally, phirni is always set in earthen pots. So I've got these little things which are very cute. So we'll garnish with some chopped pistachios, some edible rose petals, and here we go. Our pretty rose phirni is ready. Isn't it a visual treat? So simple. That's it today in Sarab's Kitchen. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Come back for some more such interesting recipes.